Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Alan Tech. Today I have a very special surprise from HP. Hello everyone and welcome to Alan Tech. Today I have a very special PC to look at and I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so a little backstory on this PC. I've got my specs sheet up here. This is quite interesting, especially whenever you consider what's in it. This is a new Ryzen PC from HP. Let me get this out. I can't hear myself, so. This is a new Ryzen PC from HP. And it's a 1400, which is an okay processor. It's 4-core, 8-thread, 3.2 gigahertz. It's got 8 gigs of memory, clocked at 2400. Integrated sound. It actually has Wi-Fi networking. Has a 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM drive. DVD drive, somehow they fit that in there. 7-in-1 card reader. And kind of the other stuff you would expect, front IOs, things like that. And it comes with a keyboard and mouse. But the thing that makes this computer extremely exciting is that it comes with an AMD RX 580. And if you know anything about computing and mining, the 580 is incredibly hard to come by. And this computer actually has it in there. Now, what are you saying? That's exciting. So it's a really expensive computer. The thing is, it's not. I actually bought this on Amazon for $604.99. Free shipping with Amazon Prime to my house with no taxes. So I haven't actually tore into it yet to find out what actually it is because I've left all that for the unboxing. But I'm really excited about this because I've never had a computer this good. My previous computer has an AMD 7770 in it and an AMD Phenon X2 4-core, which is terrible. But I'm really excited about this. This will be the best computer I've ever had. And from what I've looked up, without actually tearing into it, just using the cheapest stuff on like PC Part Picker, this thing comes out to like $800. And right now there's 2 left at the 604. Probably by the time of this video it's going to be gone for that price, but it can be had for $700 in very many places, and I'll put some links down in for the Amazon where I bought mine. But without further ado, let's see what's in this thing. So it'll be very easy with it. And it's not the greatest looking thing. There's another computer from iBuyPower. It's probably a little better looking, but it's a little more expensive too. So yeah, we'll just go ahead and cut that. This is not a professional unboxing channel yet. But who knows, maybe in the future. Okay. So first off we got, looks like our power cord and mouse. Power cord, mouse, and a little thing to show. Sorry, my cat just hit my camera. 1 second. Okay, sorry about that, but I'm back. Yeah, there's like a little pouch in here to show us everything that's in there. Has USB mouse. It comes with a mouse and keyboard. I don't expect them to be very good. I'm hoping to replace them with a gaming one pretty soon. But for right now I'm going to close that because I'll stab myself because I'm that smart. This looks like the keyboard. Ooh, it's wedged in there good. There we go. Oh, it's tiny. Maybe I'm just not used to keyboards by themselves. Very nice flat profile keyboard. And I'll try to get some close-up shots of this at the end so we can kind of see what's going on. And then the main event, what we've all been waiting for. Pieces of foam everywhere. Okay. So let's see. Here is the main event. Oh, it's tiny. And that's it for the box. Nothing else in there. Okay. This is actually tiny. So, do I have the bottom or the top? That's the question. I have the top. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is kind of interesting. I've never had a micro ATX, so this is different and new to me. Okay, let's get some front pictures here. Okay, so a nice front picture there. Nothing for viewing on the side. There is a little bit of venting. Has a brushed aluminum finish on the top, but it feels like plastic, but it's a pretty good imitation. But let's see, turn around here so you can see the back. And I'll try to have close-up pictures of all this stuff so you can see what's really inside it. But yeah. So let's see what we got here. We got a headset jack. We got our media reader. There is the DVD-R. There's a USB-C and a USB also. So you get that in the front. Is that USB 3? No, I think it's just USB 2. Yeah, it's just USB 2. And then in the back, this is interesting. I didn't really look at the ports, but we got our Ethernet, 2 USB 2s. Looks like we got 2 USB 3s up here, 4 HDMIs for that 480, and then 2 HDMIs back here, which I wouldn't expect. I figure everything would be with the video card, but I guess it has some kind of video capability of its own. So that's interesting. And so that's pretty much it for the outside. You know what? I'm super curious what that 480 is. I was going to save that for another video, but I'm going to go get a screwdriver, open this thing up, and see if we can see what kind of video card it's got in here, if it's some kind of proprietary that it's got, or if it's actually like an ASUS or just an A&D reference card. So I'm going to go get my screwdriver and I'll be right back. And I do apologize for the sound. I have microphones and everything, but due to everything that was stolen and whatnot, I don't have an ideal setup right now. So kind of using this. So let's see. Oh, this is some kind of security screw. I wonder if they gave me a tool for it. Nope, did not. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that too well. It looks like, and like I say, I'll try to have pictures of this. It looks like it's just a reference Radeon small form factor card. And one of the mini cards. See the model number off of it. Yeah, it actually has an HP part number, so I'm going to guess it's only got a 6-pin connector. So I'm going to guess that this is actually just some kind of card that they threw together. It has Radeon badging on the fan. So I don't think it's anything too special, so it's probably just something that they threw together. So that's going to be interesting to see how this card performs later on whenever I actually benchmark it. So, yeah, so that's pretty interesting. And like I say, I'll go over the internals a lot better in the next video, where we're going to actually kind of take it apart, see what's actually all in it. Because it looks like, I mean, with this price point, it looks like they used the cheapest stuff that they could find just looking at it. And that's fine because nowadays stuff is pretty reliable as long as you don't just get out of the box dead stuff. But that's the first unboxing I've had in a little while. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching. I have thoroughly enjoyed this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, probably audio and stuff, sorry about that. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I don't know what I'm going to be able to do. I actually bought this before the demonetization thing, so I was kind of hoping to pay for it over the course of this year, but I'll have to do it another way now. But thank you again. I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.